Are you a professional or just a DIYer who loves tinkering with household projects? No matter who you are, we have made a list of the 8 best new tools of this year. Coming up at first, here's a compact 1-ton chain hoist from Milwaukee. This tool brings significant innovation to the material handling category, offering effortless installs, reduced downtime, and improved mobility. This hoist is powered by M18 red lithium batteries, eliminating the need for cumbersome extension cords and streamlining setup time on site. The included wireless remote, with a 60-foot range, variable speed control, and fine adjustment capabilities, provides users with enhanced control and visibility, ensuring accurate and safe lifts every time. The hoist's compact, lightweight design at 46 pounds allows easy movement around the job site. Additionally, the hoist's ability to lift in both inverted and standard orientations increases material lifting versatility while reducing worker strain. This tool is designed to maximize efficiency and be an essential addition to any professional's toolkit. Don't go on the tiny size. This Klein tool's ACCU-BEND level ensures precise 90-degree bends with its no-dog bubble level. It's a valuable tool for professionals. The thumb screw allows for quick and secure attachment to conduits of any size, streamlining the setup process. Its bright orange aluminum body is durable and easy to locate on busy jobs and construction sites. The V-groove design fits snugly onto conduit, pipe, railings, and other round surfaces, providing versatile use. With a compact body only 2.5 inches long, this level is easy to carry in pouches, bags, and backpacks. It means you won't have to take any extra hassle to carry it around the job site. Next, we have the Makita LXT Impact Wrench DTW 1004. This handy tool features a 1/2-inch square pin-detent driving shank for secure socket retention. Plus, it offers a 3-stage impact power selection and a reverse switch for versatile applications. The twin LED lights and variable speed control by trigger enhance visibility and precision. Equipped with an electric brake and a brushless motor, it provides maintenance-free, long-life performance. At the same time, the battery protection system automatically shuts off power when the battery level is low, ensuring safety and longevity. Are you concerned about your job site accuracy and efficiency? Meet Hilti Nuron PM50 MG22 multi-line laser, a revolutionary tool that sets new standards in laser leveling. With a 30% increase in height adjustment accuracy, thanks to a fine-tuning knob and improved laser diodes, it delivers razor-sharp lines visible even in daylight, with a range of up to 130 and 200 feet with a receiver. The micro-adjustment pivoting base allows for precise alignments up to 30 degrees, and integrated shock absorbers enhance drop resistance. Powered by the versatile Nuron all-in-one 22-volt battery platform, it ensures up to 25% faster alignment. The PM50 MG22 is an indispensable tool for professionals seeking unparalleled accuracy and efficiency. Tackle garden maintenance effortlessly with the Bosch AdvancedChain chainsaw. This cordless tool features a powerful brushless motor for handling large branches and logs with ease. OptiCut speed control technology ensures smooth, continuous cuts through even the toughest hardwoods and knots by anticipating stalling and adjusting torque accordingly. Garden enthusiasts will appreciate its balanced, lightweight handling and easy assembly with the toolless SDS system. Plus, it comes with the quick-stop kickback brake that provides added safety. And the built-in Bosch Syneon technology lets you optimize the power and maximize the runtime. This advanced chainsaw makes garden maintenance more efficient and enjoyable. Say hello to the sleek and robust GEARWRENCH 120 XP ratchets. These handy tools offer exceptional performance with a 3-degree swing arc and a low-profile head, making it easier to access hard-to-turn fasteners. Available in multiple drive sizes, these ratchets can be purchased individually or in sets. The improved ratchet head design features a 22% lower profile than existing models, allowing for use in tighter spaces. Constructed with a full polished chrome finish, these ratchets are resistant to oil and solvents, ensuring long tool life. The 120 XP ratchets exceed ASME torque performance requirements and are available in standard or extra long lengths for added versatility and durability. The Milescraft 1337 LockMate is the ideal jig for DIY enthusiasts looking to replace doors at home. Designed for users of any skill level, it allows for quick and accurate hardware installation. The jig includes high-quality bimetal cobalt alloy hole saws, which makes it easy to drill through any interior or exterior door. It cuts through both wood and metal, fitting solid or hollow core doors. The LockMate adjusts for standard door thicknesses and creates standard backsets for locks and knobs. With a stepped drill guide bushing to prevent damage and extend jig life, plus an extra-long 1/4-inch pilot bit to reduce tear-out, it ensures a clean and precise cut. The jig is universally compatible with most common lock, knob, and handle sizes and can be securely mounted to the door with 2 included screws. Say goodbye to gas generators with the Ego Power Plus Nexus portable power station, a clean and quiet battery-powered alternative. It harnesses the power of any Ego battery, providing versatile and efficient energy both indoors and outdoors. The station features a pure sine wave inverter, which runs cooler and more efficiently than traditional inverters. With 3 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, it can power multiple devices simultaneously. It is safe for indoor use, making it perfect for home emergencies, and robust enough for outdoor activities like camping, tailgating, and job sites. The Nexus power station is compatible with 1 to 4 Ego batteries of any size and combination, ensuring flexibility and extended runtime. Whether you need reliable power during outages or for your outdoor adventures, the Ego Nexus power station delivers clean, quiet, and efficient energy whenever and wherever you need it. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.